How to get your old FC Mobile account back. If you've lost access to your EA account, you can try recovering your account through the EA Help Center. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Search for FC Mobile Help Center. Open the official EA Help website. Look for the EA Account Recovery or Account Access options. If you can't access the email address connected to your EA account, first try recovering that email account through your email provider, such as Gmail or Yahoo. You may be able to recover your email by resetting the password, answering security questions, or verifying your identity. If you've forgotten your EA account password, select the Try Resetting Your Password option. Enter your email address or EA ID. Check your email for a password reset link. Open the link and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Once you've recovered your EA account, open FC Mobile on your phone. Log in using the same EA account credentials that were previously connected to your FC Mobile account. If your old account was linked to that EA account, your previous game progress should be available after you sign in. If you still can't access your account, use the EA Help support options to contact EA for further assistance. And that's how you can get your old FC Mobile account back. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful FC Mobile tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.